NAT, or Network Address Translation, allows multiple devices to share a single public IP address. T-Mobile hotspots often use carrier-grade NAT or CGNAT, resulting in strict NAT, which limits incoming connections. Common NAT types include open, which allows full connectivity, moderate, where most connections work, and strict, which limits incoming connections. Strict NAT is common on T-Mobile hotspots due to CNAT. Strict NAT impacts online gaming, VoIP calls, and peer-to-peer applications, leading to connection issues such as lag or the inability to join servers. On T-Mobile hotspots, UPnP and port forwarding are often limited or blocked for security reasons. Changing the NAT type directly on a T-Mobile hotspot is difficult because of carrier-grade NAT. Workarounds include using VPNs to bypass CGNAT, port forwarding apps, or IPv6 if supported. However, these solutions have limitations and may not always work. Recent T-Mobile firmware updates have introduced limited UPnP support for some hotspots, potentially improving NAT to moderate in some cases. However, a full CGNAT bypass remains challenging. IPv6 adoption is increasing, with T-Mobile reporting 70% coverage, which could eventually eliminate NAT issues as IPv6 assigns unique public IPs to devices. Some third-party apps and gaming-optimized hotspots are integrating VPN-like features to improve connectivity for online gaming. While workarounds exist, they often require technical knowledge and may not be foolproof. Be cautious, as they can introduce new risks. By 2026-2027, increased IPv6 penetration may render CGNAT obsolete for new devices, leading to more open NAT configurations. VPNs can improve connectivity but introduce security risks. Consider pros and cons carefully.